Hey, I'm Vanessa Joy, and today we are playing with two Westcott bicolor lights. They're continuous lights. We're gonna have a lot of fun with sort of a Romeo and Juliet death scene, and only using hard light, no soft light here. I want the drama. This video is sponsored by Westcott. I reached out to Madeira Estates to schedule a styles shoot so that we could just have some fun shooting. This venue is absolutely gorgeous, and inside their ballroom just doesn't get enough justice because, quite frankly, a lot of photographers in the Texas area don't shoot the messenger, okay? I'm not insulting Texas photographers, I've just simply noticed that a lot are natural light photographers. And because this hall has black ceilings in its venue, they have said photographers have a hard time shooting in it. Well, I understand why. So we decided to bring the Westcott L60 bead lights, bicolor lights, so that we could create a very dark and moody scene. The artist that redesigned this dress, you can check them out in the link below. They did an incredible job. And then of course we have these neon sights, until death do us part, and all of this drama that we wanted to create. The nice thing about using continuous lights, which I really enjoy, is you get to set the mood as you see it visually. You're not waiting for the flash and then checking the image to see how it looks. You can just see it right there. Continuous lights, in a lot of ways, are like a stepping stone to using flash. So I had two of these L60 Westcott lights set up. Now these lights do have a portable battery pack that you can plug right into the light, so it's not dependent on an electric source, but I had already killed my batteries in shooting throughout the day here, so I needed to plug these in and get them into a spot where I could light both of my subjects. This is not how you hold the camera. Using the Magnum reflector was really helpful because it made the lights brighter, even though they were a bit further away from my subjects than I would have liked. I posed them in various locations in the first scene, in the ballroom, and then of course we had to turn around and use the gorgeous doors that they have going out into the patio, and a really big candelabra. I definitely a little bit abused Connor's shoulder strength. I'm like, yeah, just hold that candelabra like forever. Total photographer mishap, but we got some beautiful images and then headed into the groom suite where there was a very cool red wall. I only took one light here and very subtly lit the couple so that it was natural to the environment. Again, using continuous lights just made this easy because I could see what I was doing. I could adjust the power settings and the color temperature as it matched to the tone in the room. I edited some of my final favorite photos using Luminar Neo, and then the rest that you see here are edited by Freedom Edits. I really think this Westcott light was key to my shoot and being able to create that ambiance. Obviously having it off camera so I could create dimension and moodiness, but also being able to perfectly match the light hitting my subjects to the light in the environment. You can check out these Westcott L60 bead lights in the link below. I've got a link for you not only to these lights, but to the lighting kit that I use that has the book bag, and honestly, it fits everything that lighting kit comes there with it, but then I actually added a third light and that fit fine as well. Let me know what you think of this shoot. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I can't talk today.